Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and in today's video we'll understand what are the types of reproduction. जैसा कि हमने पिछले वीडियोस में देख चुका है कि reproduction is the process through which an animal or individual is capable of producing new beings, that means offspring. So in today's video we'll understand what are the types of reproduction. Reproduction is of two types. Types of reproduction. First one is asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. So we'll start with asexual reproduction. In this type of reproduction, only a single parent is capable of producing new ones. That means एक single individual है, अकेला individual वो capable है produce करने के लिए new individual को. तो एक single parent है वो अपने आप में capable है new offspring को produce करने के लिए. So in asexual reproduction we can say that it is uniparental. Uniparental means uni means one, parental means parent. One parent is capable of producing new offspring. And in this type of reproduction, the fusion of gamete and formation of gamete does not take place. That means it is uniparental, so no need of formation of gamete and no need of fusion of gamete. So it can be said as no formation of gamete, formation and fusion of gametes takes place. Gametes means male gamete and female gamete. So again, in asexual reproduction, the offspring which is produced is similar to their parents. मतलब जो offspring asexual reproduction के through produce होंगे वो अपने parents के exact copy होंगे, similar to their parent होंगे और उनको हम कह सकते हैं कि वे exact copy of their parent, or we can also know the term is clone. So the offspring is cloned to their parent. And in this type of reproduction, only the mitosis division takes place. Meiosis division does not take place. This mitosis and meiosis we will learn in another video. So it is to be known that ये जानने की ज़रूरत है कि asexual reproduction में only mitosis division takes place. So asexual reproduction is uniparental, no fusion and formation of gamete takes place. Also the offspring produced through by asexual reproduction, they are identical to their parents, or we can say that clone of their parent. And in this type of division only mitosis division takes place, meiosis does not take place. So in asexual reproduction these things happen. So again we should understand what are the modes of asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction किस तरह से होता है, ये एक इसका definition हो गया और इसके क्या क्या तरीके हैं, what are the methods through which asexual reproduction takes place, we'll understand next. एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के बारे में हमने जान लिया, तो इसके कौन कौन से मेथड हैं, किस तरह से ये डिवीजन और रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, इसके लिए वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड द मेथड ऑफ एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. एंड द फर्स्ट मेथड ऑफ दिस इज फिजन. Fission means breaking or splitting, means one individual is splits or breaks into two parts and the two parts develop into a new offspring. मतलब splitting means अलग होना या फिर टूटना। तो फिजन में क्या होता है, एक इंडिविजुअल है वो अपने बॉडी पार्ट्स को टू पार्ट में डिवाइड कर देता है और मोर देन टू, इट कैन बी मोर देन टू, एंड द डिविजन पार्ट becomes a new individual. So fission means splitting. This fission is again of two types. First is binary fission and second is multiple fission. Binary means two, multiples means more than two. That means the type of fission in which one organism or one individual is capable of splitting into two organisms. That means एक जो इंडिविजुअल है वो स्प्लिट करेगा into two parts, दो पार्ट्स में ही स्प्लिट कर सकता है. That type of fission in asexual reproduction is termed as binary fission. For example, amoeba. The reproduction in amoeba is come under binary fission. And in multiple fission, one organism or one individual is capable of splitting or breaking into more than two parts and each of the part develop into a new offspring. Example is Plasmodium. Let's we understand amoeba. For example, this is amoeba, and this amoeba then first splits इस तरह से amoeba, one amoeba splits their body and develop into two amoebae. So this type of reproduction is termed as binary fission in asexual reproduction. In Plasmodium, this is let's see a Plasmodium. First, what happened? Its nucleus divide into multiple, and each of the nucleus surrounded by a cytoplasm. And then this outer layer burst and each of the part released out and developed into a new plasmodium. This next type of reproduction is budding. The bird means tiny growth. So in this type of reproduction, from the parent part of the body, a tiny outgrowth comes out. That means the bird originates from the parent individual, and this bird when grows and matures is cut down or removed out from the parent part and becomes a new individual. And this type of reproduction of asexual type is called budding. Next is fragmentation. In this type of reproduction, a individual is divided into several fragments. Its body part can be divided into several fragments, and each of the fragments become a new individual. In this type of reproduction, through which each of the body part develops into a new organism, is termed as fragmentation. That means each of the fragments develop into new organism. Fragmentation.